morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is me, Dr. Donna. Welcome to today's personal accountability. Today's topic, derailed. What is the first thought that enters into your mind when you hear derailed? I have a question for you before I give the definition. Have you been derailed? Has anyone, to include yourself, ever obstructed the progress by diverting it from its intended course? Because that's what being derailed is. It is obstructing progress by diverting it from its intended course. Have you been derailed? Have you been derailed? What was your intended goal? What was it? And now, has anybody come along, to include yourself, obstructed the progress by diverting you from your intended course of action to get to that goal? Has any family member come along with an emergency event? Have you hit a wall, a fear wall, and decided instead of breaking it down, you're going to decorate it? Have you been derailed from your intended goal or your intended course of progress? Have you? And if the answer is no, kudos to you, congratulations, and keep moving forward. But if the answer is you have been derailed, you're going to spend some time today, and I don't really care what's on the agenda for today, because if you've been derailed, does it really matter what you're doing today? You're on a course of a derailed path. So stop, sit down and stop and assess. Is it you? Is it them? Is it a combination of both of y'all? All of y'all have derailed your progress for you to get to your intended goal. You're on a course. You were on a course, and now you're not. Why? What happened? Because the thing about personal accountability is this. We as real leaders are responsible and accountable for all that we do and all that we fail to do. And if you're derailed, you're failed right now. You're failing. And it's time. This is the wake-up call. It's time for you to get back on course. And in order to do that, you have to understand and assess how you got off course. What were you doing? How long have you been off course? And what is it that you need to do to get back focused on your intended goal? What do you need to do today? Who needs to be held personally accountable today before you lay your amazing head on your pillow? Who is it? Is it you? Do you need to go and look in the mirror and have a stern conversation with yourself? Do you need to remove some unaccountable people, places, and things from your life because somehow they slipped back in? Who needs to be held personally accountable for your current derailment? And before you go to sleep, you better make sure that you get your ass back on course.